to this video. For the previous giveaway, the Raspberry Pi Zero W and cables, the winner was RG Marian from California, USA, and the giveaway announced on Twitter on April 20th and sent the giveaway. The next giveaway will be soon. If you have suggestions to the prize, please write it down below this video. Back to the Asus Tinkerboard. Now we have Android 6 Marshmallow is available in beta release. I've installed it on my board, and remember this review is for the beta release. There will be crashing and some sluggish performance. By default, you don't have a Google Play Store installed, but I managed to install it, and I've installed a lot of apps. Some apps works perfect, and other apps didn't work as expected at all. Back in time, let's start by installing Android. From the download page, grab a copy of the file. It's 248 megabytes, and in the instructions here they said that it's strongly recommended to use the tested hardwares and the tested SD cards. You can find the list here, and also I will include it in the description of this video. I didn't use one of these SD cards. Maybe if you use one of the recommended SD cards, maybe the performance will be much better. I'm not sure about that. After downloading and extracting the file, you will find the Android disk image file and another zip file for the SD firmware tools. Extract it as well, and then run the SD firmware tools. Insert the SD card to your computer using the SD card reader and choose it from here. Make sure that you back up any data on the SD card, because it will be wiped out. Browse for the Android image and click create. The tool now will format the SD card and write the image. After finishing the write process, take the SD card and insert it into the board, connect the cables and the power, and let it start. For the first boot, it took about 2 minutes, and here it's up and running. You can see that we don't have Play Store installed among the apps. And let's check settings. About tablet, here is the model number RK3288, and the Android version is 6.0.1. This version of Android is not like the one people use Raspberry Pi to install, which is Android TV. This one made for tablets. For the connectivity, I have connected to my Wi-Fi using my SSID and the password, and from Bluetooth I've connected my mini Bluetooth keyboard and my Bluetooth speaker, both working great. Back to the apps. By default, these are the installed apps, including music and 4K video. The playback was really great on the 4K video player. If you would like to play 4K videos using this application, it will work perfectly. But if you would like to install more apps, you have two options. One, to get the APK file and enable installing third-party apps from the settings, and second, to install Play Store. I made a separate video for this. Please check this card over here and subscribe to the channel. That will be a great help. After installing Play Store, you can log in with your Google account, and now you can install apps. Here I have installed a lot of apps and games, and I'll start by showing you some benchmarks, starting by the Antutu app. Here is the result. If you compare it with other tablets, you will see that it's not that good. Anyway, this is a beta version, and maybe will be improvement in future releases. Also in the future mark, I've run the benchmark test, and also the result was not that good. Let's check apps and games on this system. Games like Angry Birds and simple graphics games performed well on this edition. Candy Crush and this category of games will be working fine, but games with high graphics like Asphalt 8, Airborne, and Rail Racing 3. I've tried to play Asphalt 8, it didn't start. But games like Rail Racing 3, I've connected my Bluetooth game controller, and the game experience was amazing. The performance was nice, and the game controller works perfectly. I've also tried to play Boom Beach and other games with no problem. Some games take a longer time to load, but finally it works. I'll make a video to review games on this build for the board in details, and I'll share the game experience. If you are interested, you can subscribe and you will be notified when the video is out. With that said, I'll end the video here. If you like it, please hit that like button. Here is more videos to watch. Thanks for watching and have a great day.